Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to hide who I am following on TikTok. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your TikTok on your phone. And now after opening your TikTok, all you have to do is to go into your profile page by clicking on the bottom right of the screen on your picture. And now after getting this page, all you have to do now is to click on these three bars on the top right corner. Click on it, then choose settings and privacy. Now what you're going to do is to click on privacy, and here as you can see you have this option right here, private account. You can turn it on and make all the things on your account private, but there's also another option that you can use in order to hide who you are following, and you can activate this feature by going down till you find the following list right here. Click on it, then here as you can see you have two options, everyone and only you. Click on only you, and by this way only you will be able to see who you are following, and this info will be hidden to others. Now click on this X icon right here, then click on the arrow in order to save the changes, then do a refresh to your page. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.